So starting with the procedure, what we have to do, we have to ask the subject to lie down in the supine position, and then we have to make use of the jelly. We have to apply the jelly at the points where we have to place the electrodes. For the right arm, we will apply the jelly and then place the lead here. Then coming on to the left side, left arm, apply the jelly and then place the limb lead here like this. It should be like this. You can see the leads. It should be on this side. This side should be connected on this side so that it touches the jelly. Then right leg. So like this we will place the limb lead. Then on the left side again we will place the limb lead like this. So you can see right arm, right leg and left leg. We have applied connected the limb leads. Now coming to the chest leads. For the chest leads we have V1, V2 and V3. So how to place them? So V1 we have to connect at the fourth intercostal space. This is the fourth intercostal space and this is the sternum. So we have to place it on the right side of the sternum in the left intercostal space. So this is V1. Then V2 we place it on the left border of the sternum in the fourth intercostal space. So this is V2. Now coming to this is V3. This is to be placed in between the V2 and V4. So I will apply V4 first. So this is V4. Now V4 we have to place it in this is the mid clavicular line. This is the clavicle. So this is the middle of the clavicle. So we place it in the mid clavicular line in the fifth intercostal space. Then V3, it's to be placed in the midway between the V2 and V3. So here. Now we have V5 and V6. So V5 is to be placed in the same at the same level in the fifth intercostal space, but in the anterior axillary line. This is axilla. This is the anterior axillary line. So this is the fifth intercostal space. I will place it in the anterior axillary line. Then we have V6, which is to be placed in the mid axillary line in the fifth intercostal space. That means here. So we are done with the leads, that is limb leads and the chest leads. Now we have to switch on the. Now I am switching on the ECG machine. Then I will press here. Again I will press here. Now it's recording the ECG. You can see that the graph is coming out. Okay, so we can see this is chest lead 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. And this is AVR, AVL, AVF. 1, 2, 3, AVR, AVL, AVF. And then we have, this is V1, this is V2, this is V3, this V4, V5 and V6.